video, let's perform the drop test on Samsung's first triple camera mid-range device, the Galaxy A7. Will the triple cameras survive hard drops on concrete? As most of us know through personal experience and common sense, is that the only solution to give a degree of protection to smartphones is by installing a back cover and tempered glass, and then hoping it does the job in case of bad accidental drops. In this video, let's drop the Galaxy A7 on hard concrete with 6D glass and a soft case with raised edges and see if this protection actually works. Starting the drop test on the Galaxy A7 from waist or pocket height, replicating an accidental drop while removing it from the pocket. It actually landed kind of on the display side, but there is no sign of damage as yet. Moving on to the second drop with the edge facing the concrete ground. No damage with only superficial dirt marks on the case edge. Now the third drop from pocket height with the triple cameras facing the concrete. The soft case seems to be doing a great job with no signs of damage or cracks on the triple camera glass. The fourth and last drop from waist height with the display facing the concrete floor. The 6D glass cracks with just a single line going across the bottom, but no damage to the main display as yet. In the fifth drop, let's drop the Galaxy A7 from about 6 feet head height with the bottom edge facing the concrete. No damage or further cracks in the glass. The sixth drop on concrete from 6 feet height with the side facing the floor. This time the 6D glass does get a bit damaged at the upper left corner with a few cracks across the screen. The seventh drop from 6 feet height with the triple cameras facing the concrete surface. Just like in the lower pocket height drop, the triple cameras and the back survives without a scratch. Now for the eighth and final drop from 6 feet height with the display directly facing the hard concrete. The final drop has caused more damage and cracks, especially on the edges of the 6D glass. And after removing the badly damaged glass, it is clear that it has done a great job in protecting the main display, which otherwise would have cracked, and hence saves you a lot of money you may have spent and wasted on repairs.